Now that Epic Store's self-publishing program has started, it's worth considering releasing your game on the Epic Game Store, especially since, in contrast to Steam, Epic takes only 15% of the revenue. However, the self-publishing ecosystem for Epic is understandably much less developed, so figuring out how to implement features such as achievements could be a little bit tricky. But don't worry, if you are using Godot Mono, you're in luck because I'm publishing an open-source Godot implementation for Epic Achievements. To make it work, set up the achievements for your game on the Epic Developer Portal as it is described in the official documentation. I'm legally not allowed to distribute the EOS SDK, so you need to download it from the official portal separately. Once it's downloaded, unzip it and include the source directory into your project under the SDK folder as shown on the screen. You'll also need to include the EOS SDK DLL into the root directory of your game. The only thing left is to carefully fill up the EOS settings file with the credentials provided on the developer portal. Note that your test account you're using has to have access to the provided sandbox environment. Now that hopefully the sample project is up and running, let's see what's happening. First, we use the authentication interface to authenticate the user. If it's the user's first startup, we need to go through the account portal to get permission for our application. Subsequent game launches will use persistent authentication without asking for permission. After successful authentication, we use the Connect interface to connect our client to the EOS server. For this, we'll need a product user, which also has to be created on the first boot up. When the connection has been established, we can query achievement definitions, which will need to unlock individual achievements. We can also query player achievements, which show player progression for each achievement definition. After these steps, you are set up to individually unlock achievements by using the appropriate achievement definition. If you'd like to see more open source projects, please support us by checking out our game, Alan 13, which helps you learn how to think like a programmer. Or at least, please subscribe to our channel.